Once there was a cow who was grazing in the forest. He turned back to see a tiger right behind him and he started running. While running, he was looking out for places to escape. Suddenly, this place, which looked like a pond, looked very safe for him because he can jump into the pond and he can escape from there. He jumped into it, and tiger also, without any second thought, jumped into it. Both of them were surprised by what was there because the pond was not water, it was very shallow with a lot of mud and slush. So they both got stuck in the pond, but they were slightly away from each other. Some time passed and then cow started talking. He asked, "Do you have a master?" Tiger said, "I am the master of the whole forest. Why should I have a master?" And cow said, "Do you have anybody who can help you, support you, come out of this?" The tiger said, "No, I don't have to depend on anybody. I am independent." The cow didn't have anything to say. But later on he told him saying, "I have a master. In the evening when he finds out that I am not there, he will come in search of me." And that evening his master came and found him there and he rescued him from there. Both of them were very, very happy that they are going back home. But they also had this thought in mind saying, "We could have rescued that tiger if only he allowed us to do that." Having a mentor, a coach, a friend, a trusted adult does not make you weak. They only help you go one step further and win in life. John Pradeep JL, theatre-based life coach for parents and kids.